Hey, it's Tim. Dodge Grand Caravan. It is a 2012. Gonna be doing a starter. This is the starter part number. First of all, of course, before anything, take your body terminal off. You won't spark nothing, short anything out, tear up anything. You will have to, on these, let the fan off for a second. I'm gonna jack it up a little more. You're gonna take this motor mount off, and this part of the subframe. Really gonna loosen it back there, so I'll have to move my jack stand. Loosen it back there, and then we're gonna slide it, and we'll pull this motor mount out, and then your starter is behind there. So here we go. All right, these up here in the front are gonna be an 18. In the back, it's gonna be a 5/8 or 15. Hit these off back here in the back. Leaking some transmission fluid. Got it down right there. I'll do these two right here. Not too the light right up here. That's the bottom of the motor mount. Keep those separate. Then we can slide it. Loosen this just a little bit. We'll take it out. Jack stand here. And just kind of move it out of your way like that. Move it kind of in the front. That way it's out of your way. And then we're gonna be doing this. I'm doing this motor mount right here. Bolt here, here. I think there's 4 of them, 2 on each side. And then you'll actually start seeing the starter then, which is up behind there. Alright. Okay, you're gonna take your middle bolt off there. They're all 5/8 or a 16. You got a bolt here. You got a bolt on this side. And you got one up top there. Let's take those out and we're gonna remove this motor mount. Alright, got this one over here. Already got the one on top. This one over here. And of course, this one. set that down, and now you probably say hello to your starter. And you got 2 bolts right there. Taking 2 bolts right there, and let it hang, and undo your switch and your power. I'll show you that here in just a second. Okay, you'll have to get you a 15 on these 2 bolts, one there, one here. Let's get you a 15 wrench. Really ain't got room for a socket. Take those out, bring it down. Like I said, you're gonna take your bolts in just like this. Get your 2 bolts just like that. You get your 13 right here, and then you got your push for your switch. Pull that off. Let's take your old line off here, and sticker off. And get it ready to go in. All right, getting about finger tight now. It's gonna take everybody 2 hands to do this, so I'll have to pretty much you'll put them on the same way you took them off. Keep these bolts separate. And they might look the same, but they might be different lengths. Who knows? And you sure don't want your starter different lengths. Alright. Put 2 out like that. Kind of slide everything over. We'll have a bunch of stuff in your way. And then we'll kind of just do it like that. Bring it down. It's got to look at a little dowel pin. Make sure you knock that dowel pin off, and then bring it down. But I'm gonna have to use every bit of 2 hands, so give me just a second. All right, you're gonna kind of, when you get it out, you're gonna kind of go back, and you're gonna go down. You're gonna feed it coming down like that, and then just pull your switch off. This is for the switch. That's just a blade pin, and then of course, like I said, this is a 13, so take that off. That's your power. Get a little slack there. Okay, this is what it should look like when you're done. And of course, reverse the process. Put your motor mount back in. Put your little subframe here that you got tilted. Slide it back, bolt it up, and we'll go start it up. All right, let's try it out. Here's right up. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on.